Diane in Denmark here, rah, rah, rah. Good morning. It is Sunday the 19th of February. We'll get right into it. I'm checking with you every day this month. We're looking for one thing to declutter, and I'm starting working on Flylady Zone 4, which is the master bedroom, and I've got quite a few items to show you this morning. And I've had a look through some of my coloured jewellery, and I'll give you some examples of what I am keeping and not keeping. So these bracelets, they're just not kind of bright enough for me. These ones were from a Fitbit that I no longer have. Some yellow pearls, I've talked about that before. I prefer the kind of real coloured pearls. And these ones, the string has gone loose. And I never wear these ones. I prefer longer pearls. So these are going. Also, chunky necklace. No, I'm not keen on that anymore. And this flat one. No, that's going too. Some coloured earrings that I have. And I don't like these ones, but I do like these ones. These were from the Dressing Your Truth store. And for my capsule wardrobe, I use the Dressing Your Truth system. I'm a type 1 secondary 4. Now here's two necklaces. Now they're quite similar in style, the little tassel at the bottom. But this one I'm not keeping. I don't know why I'm not too keen on this one. I think it's kind of like a snaky chain, but this one with the chunky chain and the little tassel, and I shortened this is one that I got at a charity shop. I shortened the length of the chain on it. This one I actually like, so this one gets to stay. A couple of rings that I got in a pack of rings, and these ones I don't use, though this one I did like. And various bracelets. These were made by my daughter when she was at school, but I never wear them. And before you say, oh, don't throw out the stuff that your daughter made, she's given me other things that I really enjoy and love, that I'm not holding on to these. And there's some kind of plastic one that says Denmark for some reason. Don't know why I've got that. Anyway, that is going as well. A pair of earrings, and these are just too kind of blah. I'm not too keen on the pastel colours. Quite a lot there from me today, and I'm getting a lot of questions about what happens to the things that we take to our swap parties. All these items are going in a bag. I keep a bag in the bottom of the wardrobe, so anytime I find a piece of clothing or jewellery, hair mousse or hairspray, you saw me decluttering those the other day, I just put them straight in a bag, and I keep things like jewellery in separate bags, so it makes it easier when I get to the swap. So all these are going to our next swap. And anything that we don't take at the swap, it goes to a men's shelter, a women's shelter, the after school club, say if it's something like craft articles. The ladies who are there, we all help to pass it on to somebody else. It could be a charity shop, the refugee centre, so everything that we don't take is passed on to somebody else. And we love our swap parties. We usually hold the swap parties every couple of months. The blouse I'm wearing today, this came from a swap party. The surf spray that I've got in my hair was from a swap party. And many of my little pearl bracelets, they come from a swap party. So you never know what you're going to come home with. So over to you. It's Sunday, just go and look for one thing. And if you're not looking for a thing today, how about you spend 5 minutes on your telephone, getting rid of some digital clutter. You know, just when you're sitting tonight, maybe go through your iPad. Have you got some apps that you never use? Let me know what you're going to declutter in the comments, and remember to like the video, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. I'm going to get back on with my day. Remember to take some time to rest and recharge. It is Sunday, and I'll see you back here tomorrow because I'm going to be working on Flylady Zone 4 all this week. And I know, because we've got a swap coming up this week, I know I can let go of a few more things. So, live long and prosper. May the decluttering hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.